So if you want to see me sublimate on a Dollar Tree satin pillowcase, just keep watching. I promise, it's worth it at the end. If you're new to my channel, my name is Leslie. My channel is all about crafting on a budget. I do Cricut, sublimation, and kit craft videos. So if any of those things interest you, please consider subscribing, giving this video a thumbs up, and hitting the bell notification button to be notified every time I upload. And let's just get into the video. We're going to take our pillowcase. This is a satin pillowcase from Dollar Tree. Okay, so for this one, I'm doing for the pillowcase, I'm doing kind of like a little ballerina dance theme. So I printed out my design already. It says dance to your own rhythm. This is going to go in the center, and then these are just going to go all over the pillowcase. So let's just open this up. This pillowcase is 20 by 30 inches. So I'm going to pre-press it really quick, get any moisture out, and then we'll come back. This is a huge pillowcase. This is a big pillowcase, y'all. This is huge. So I pre-pressed it. Man, this pillowcase is huge. It's huge. My gosh, what kind of pillow does this fit? This is a really big pillowcase. And now I'm just going to tape down our design. So the words are going to go in the middle. I'm going to try my hardest to just put it in the middle of it. And then I'm going to take some heat tape. And I'm going to take some heat tape. Make sure it's as straight as I can make it. And I'm just going to tape it. So now I'm going to take my design, and I'm actually going to be cutting these out. So I'm going to cut them out, and then I'm going to place them all over. Okay. So now let's tape these all around, just randomly everywhere. Okay, now I have just randomly placed them. Now we're going to take it, we're going to grab it, and we're going to take it to our heat press. We're going to put some craft paper underneath like always. And then we're going to have to do this in sections. This thing is huge. My gosh. I did not think this pillowcase was going to be this big. Okay. So we're going to do it by sections. And I'm going to make sure that all of these are turned the right way. I think we'll do it like this. Trying to find like a sweet spot. We're going to press at 400 degrees for 60 seconds. Okay. Let's see. Look at that ink release. I have great pressure this time. Can you see? You can see how much is actually gone. You gotta be careful with the way you pull the tape, because if not, you can actually mess up the pillowcase. So pull it nicely. I think I'm gonna actually cut where this starts so that I don't get any more ghosty. which I think I already got some ghosting from the paper just being hot. Oh, from it going through. Okay. Okay.
Time stops when I'm falling for you.
So this is how it turned out. I absolutely love it. The colors are so vibrant. Look at that. So vibrant. So here's my tips for this. Make sure that you lint roll. Number one, of course. I actually didn't. I got some lint marks, but I was just trying this out. So make sure you lint roll, and make sure you pun. Inside of it, you pun cardstock or cardstock and butcher paper, so that you don't have ink traveling through it. I did get some ink. Not all the colors showed through, but definitely the words came through. So that's why when I hold it up like this, it kind of looks like there's ghosting, but there's actually no ghosting at all. So make sure you pre-press so you can avoid ghosting as much as you can. But the colors, man, the colors are so vibrant. Like, I absolutely love how well the colors came out. Other than that, I have no other tips. It was super easy to do. You might just want to do a simple design instead of me with all of this, the whole like design. You might just want to do a design in the middle, and that's it. But I absolutely love how this turned out. Let me know if you guys love it too. Let me know if you try it. And thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you so much for 1,000 subscribers. And I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.
The world stops spinning. My head is spinning too. Time stops when I'm falling for